In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing customers or vendors, being able to efficiently add and organize contacts is crucial for maintaining a seamless workflow and ensuring your business operations run smoothly. Let's dive right into the process and show you just how easy it is. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the appropriate module in Zoho Books. If your goal is to add a new customer, head over to the Sales module. Alternatively, if you're looking to add a vendor, you'll want to select the Purchases module. Once you're in the right module, you'll notice a section labeled Customers or Vendors, depending on your previous choice. This is where all your contact information will be organized. Next up is creating a new contact, which is quite straightforward. Look for the Plus New button or Plus Add button, both of which are designed to initiate the process of adding a contact. It's usually located prominently on the screen, making it easy to spot. Click it, and you'll be launched into a form where you can start entering your contact's details. Now it's time to input the essential information for your contact, starting with their name, email, and address. These are some of the basic fields that you'll need to fill out to ensure that you have the necessary identifying information. Taking the time to enter accurate and complete data here will save you headaches down the line, especially when it comes to communication and mailing needs. After you've input the basic information, the next area you'll focus on is tax and other relevant details. This part of the process might seem a bit daunting at first, but it's an essential part of setting up contacts correctly. Depending on your location and business requirements, this could include various tax rates, registration details, or any specific financial details that are pertinent to your organization. Make sure you have any necessary documents or information ready, so this step can be completed without interruption. Finally, don't forget to review all the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied that everything is correctly filled in, you can proceed to save the contact. This step is often overlooked but crucial in preventing potential issues or discrepancies in the future. Remember, adding concise notes or internal comments can be helpful too, especially if there are specifics related to the relationship or business dealings you have with this contact. And there you have it. That's how you add contacts in Zoho Books. With these steps, you're now equipped to seamlessly integrate and manage your contacts within the platform, enhancing both your personal productivity and your company's overall operational efficiency. As you continue to use Zoho Books, you'll find that having an organized and up-to-date contact list will greatly simplify tasks, whether they're routine or complex. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.